PP800 mode. Replace tutorial. 2 wrenches for disassembling the mode. 1 M10 wrench and 1 M6 wrench. First, we need to move the B mode below the C mode. Then there is a blue button on the right side in the front. Press this button and rotate it 90 degrees downward. The C mode is fixed on the B mode. Take the M10 wrench and loosen these 4 screws. After screw became loose and protruded, we can directly use our hands to tighten them. This way, the process is faster. After tightening all 4 screws, turn this blue button and then reverse it by 90 degrees back. Press it in and then tighten it again. After releasing, the plate and the C mode are separated. Rotate the turntable to move it out. Remove the C mode. Use an M6 wrench to loosen the 2 screws on the B mode. Remove the screws. Remove the B mode. And then turn out the A mode. Similarly, loosen the 2 screws on the A mode. And finally remove the A mode. The entire machine mode has been disassembled. Now let's start replacing the modes. The fixing screws for the AB mode. The connecting screws for the C mode. 1 M10 wrench, 1 M6 wrench, and a set of 3 7mm modes. First, place the B mode above the rotating plate B. The rotating plate is marked with the letter B. Align the holes with the screw hole below. Lock the screw into the hole. Use an M6 wrench to tighten the screws on both sides. Place the C template above the B template. Rotate the turntable when in the correct position. Press this blue button. To make it overlap vertically, insert the M10 screws into the hole positions. Can tighten the screws by hand and tighten the one that is looser first. After tightening a little, press the blue button. Rotate 90 degrees again. Then turn the blue button back. Tighten the screws in this way, and it will be easier to screw them in. Sometimes you may encounter a situation where the screws get stuck. In such cases, we need to repeatedly press this and rotate it. Through this operation, you can tighten the screws easily. Once it is almost in place, use the M10 wrench to tighten it further. If you think it is not tight enough, you can add a sleeve to secure it. The C mode is now ready. Press the blue button to release the air. Then place the A mode above the rotating plate A, above the rotating plate A, and screw the screws into these holes. Use an